katrops, nandito tayo ngayon sa Chinatown, Calgary. At kakain tayo dito sa...
Where, Marley?
Where?
Point sushi.
Point Sushi, mga katrops. Dito lang yun sa Chinatown, no, mga katrops. So, yan, Chinatown. And we're gonna eat in the Point Sushi. Alright! Oh my God, let's go mga katrops. This is the Point Sushi. Hey, hello! The Point Sushi. Here we go mga katrops. Ito yung ano dito, signature sa Point Sushi mga katrops. Di-deliver sa'yo yung pagkain yun ng train. Ah. Yeah, I know. Wait, it's coming. Train is coming. Don't put your finger there. Don't put your finger there mga katrops because the train is gonna passing here. The bullet train is fast. Yeah, I know. Sit down.
Can I see what you ordered?
What do you order? Sushi?
Sushi, yeah.
Oh yeah. How about you? Sushi too?
Magaga troops up the place.
Yeah, I know it's moving. Yeah.
I ordered this.
Oh wait, just wait. Mama is ordering now. Oh, coming. Oh, there we go. Get the water. Okay, that's how you do it, mga katrops. Water for now. Oh yan mga katrops, ito kayo mag-order dito sa Point Sushi. Ayan, ito yung mga menu yung mga katrops. So, pipindutin nyo lang to at yung pagkain, lalabas na yan dyan. No? Ayan, mamamaya. Oh, i-order ka na mga kats. Anong gusto mo? Bilisan mo na.
Tapos na.
Tapos na pala eh. Hintayin na lang natin yung order natin dyan mamaya.
Order mo sushi.
Oh yeah. Ayan mga katrops, kakarating na ng order namin. Oh. Hintay. Yan. Ito yung in-order namin eh. Pa isa-isa eh. Ayan. Oh, bye-bye. See you later. We're gonna wait for other one. Okay. Right there. Ah, sushi.
I'm done.
You're so fast. You guys so fast. Yeah. Eat it. Eat it. Why you don't like it, kid?
You don't want it?
No.
Which one you don't want it?
So yun mga katrops, kung mahilig kayo sa mga sushi, di-recommended ko itong sushi dito lang sa Chinatown sa may Calgary. Kasi ito yun, parang kang nasa futuristic na restaurant. Doon nalakas yung order mamaya. Hintay natin yung log natin yung pagkain. Isa sa kayo na sa bullet train. Right boys? Right boys? Yan.
Ano?
Yan. Here we go. The bullet train is coming right there. So it's coming now. Oh, go get time. Yan yung sinasabi ko mga trops. Kaya diniliver na yung pagkain. Yung sabaw. The miso. Who's that? Oh, mama. Whoop. He will get another one. What kid? Yan mga katrops, another order na naman. Ang bilis talaga ng train, malabilis pa sila squat dito. Yan. Oh, see? Cook it that over here. There we go. Very nice. This is chow mein chicken. You can share, you can put it there. See? Yan in order na yung mga katrops. Ang bilis ng pagluto lang naman. Yeah, oh. Chicken coming. Oh, ang bilis talaga. Ang busy talaga yung train dito. So busy the train here. Kathleen, the train is so busy because it's a futuristic restaurant. Lupit.
That's yours. That's not mine.
Okay, eat na boys. Wow, good job Kathleen.
No chopstick.
Okay, another food. It's so busy. The train are busy. That's mine. That's mine. Look at this, mga katrops. The sushi. Oh yeah, share together. What's chicken? It's chicken over there. Oh, another train is coming again. Go eat na dali. Yes, good job, kid. That's how you do it.
And this.
The chicken. You eat it. Yung mga katrops, ang dami na. Busy na kasi yung train eh. Meron tayong California roll dito. Tapos udon noodles. Masarap yung miso. Masarap pala mga katrops eh. Recommended. Go, eat na. Come on, let's go. Whoop, busy and train. Here we go. Chicken wings is coming. Hurry up. Yeah, it's hot. Oh my God, so much chicken wings.
Come in. Come in. Come in.
Yeah, that's yours.
No, I don't like it.
Mm. There we go.
You
That plate is so busy, kid. Why?
Do you need ramen?
Yeah, I like it. We'll eat it. Hurry up.
You like chicken wings?
Chicken wings, chicken wings. You like it?
I just
Yes. How about you, kid? You want to work here? The sushi will go up now.
I want to work here.
You want to work
wow.
here? You want to grab the train?
Yes.
How about baby Kathleen? Yeah. So yan mga katrops, kung gusto nyo kumain ng sushi o yung mga Japanese na style na pagkain o yung ramen, try yung ramen masarap din. Huwag nung kalimutang pasyalan itong sushi point dito lang sa Calgary, dito sa may Chinatown. Hanggang dito na lang yung vlog natin sa sushi point. Alright? Stay tuned and rock and roll.
Masarap.